Using context clues to unlock word meanings. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving deep into a powerful strategy, using context to determine word meaning. Ever stumbled upon a word you didn't understand? Stick around, and you'll learn how to make sense of it without even touching a dictionary. When we read or listen, surrounding words or sentences can often provide hints or clues about the meaning of an unfamiliar word. These hints are what we call context clues. For example, the gregarious student loved group projects and always surrounded himself with friends. If you're unfamiliar with the word gregarious, the context suggests it relates to enjoying group activities and being social. There are several types of context clues that authors provide to help readers understand new words. 1. Definition clue. The author directly provides the meaning of the word in the sentence. A metropolis, a large city, is usually bustling with activity. 2. Synonym clue. The author uses a word with similar meaning nearby. She was elated, or very happy, with the news. 3. Antonym clue. The author uses a word with opposite meaning to hint at what the unfamiliar word means. While Mark is gregarious, his brother is rather reserved. 4. Example clue. The author gives examples to hint at the word's meaning. Fruits like apples, bananas, and cherries are all edible. 5. Emotion clue. The emotion in the sentence can hint at the word's meaning. After hearing the tragic news, she felt despondent. The emotion here suggests feeling very sad. Sometimes, a direct clue might not be present. In such cases, inference becomes crucial. To infer means to make an educated guess based on evidence and reasoning. Consider, she handled the fragile vase with trepidation. Even if you're unfamiliar with trepidation, you can infer that it means with caution or fear because of the nature of a fragile item. The best way to master using context clues is through practice. Here's a tip. Whenever you come across an unfamiliar word while reading, try to figure out its meaning without immediately resorting to a dictionary. Over time, this will sharpen your inference skills and boost your vocabulary. And that's a wrap on using context to determine word meaning. Remember, every word you encounter is an opportunity to learn. By harnessing the power of context clues and inference, you'll become a more confident reader and speaker. We hope you found this video insightful. Until next time, keep exploring the magic of words.